Hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome back to Pantech e-learning channel. This is R. Divyanjali from Pantech. Pantech is a platform where a person can experience, innovate and implement different research and development works over this platform. Firstly, I would like to welcome all the participants to the 30th day of our Masterclass Data Science 2.0 version. Welcome my dear participants. Very good evening. Before starting the session, my dear participants, am I audible to all of you? Yes, good evening, good evening. Yes, hi, very good evening. Okay, fine. So, first of all, am I audible to all of you, my dear participants? Please do reply. We are on the last day of our session. I need response. Am I audible? Don't tell yes ma'am, no ma'am, no, I don't want such answers. I want like it's audible ma'am, it's audible akka, like that you have to tell. Audible, right? Okay, fine. So we are on the last day of our masterclass Data Science 2.0 version. Successfully we have completed 29 days, right? It means 29 hours we have spent on this data science session. First of all, we will revise what we have learned from the starting day. First, we have started with something like basic introduction to data science and some history, few applications, then followed by one example, something like one demo, right? Then followed by, on the second day, we have started language, Python language, okay? Introduction we have learned, basic concepts we have learned, we have even learned about some concepts over Python language with examples, correct? On day 2 and day 3. Followed by we have learned library files. What are the different library files we have done? With examples, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib library, Seaborn and scikit library files. So all these library files along with examples we have understood something, right? We have done few examples as well. Then after that we have moved on to the algorithms implementation, support vector machine, logistic regression. These algorithms implementations we have done along with some application. Followed by we also have learned something about machine learning algorithms. Then also have learned about neural networks. Then followed by we have entered into ClickView tool, right? How to analyze the data in ClickView tool. Then followed by NLP use case data examples, then followed by the applications. In the last 10 days we have learned nearly 10 applications, okay? So this is what we have learned in overall 29 hours of our data science masterclass. So among all these 29 days, since last 29 days, if you are still get struck with any of the concept, you can just let me know, I can explain you that. Pandas, NumPy, that and all basics, right? You can understand easily, you can work also. The only problem might be with applications, correct? NLP also we have done applications, so you have no doubts in that, okay? Whatever the queries you are having, my dear participants, first let me know that in the comment section. there is one small issue, that is sharing of input files, that is only left over. Okay, that is what I have told you since last 5 to 6 days. I am telling you, if you can connect me in another social media, I can share you the files easily. Directly by me only I can share you. You can work, you can start working practically. You cannot get everything in 1 hour, right? Taking this 1 hour as your base, you have to start working practically. Okay? How many of you feel that you have learned some base knowledge and going to create some future over this data science masterclass? From this masterclass, how many of you feel that confidently that I am going to be a data scientist? I want to know generally. Come on, this is not technical question also, right? So please make the session interactive. I need response from you people. Definitely you people might be feeling that this might be creating some base step to create your future, right? To create your career as well, correct? Am I correct or not? What I feel is my participants might be creating some base knowledge over this platform, and using this knowledge they are going to create some career way to your career, to make your career in the best. Because the decision whatever you are taking now, it is going to be forever with you, right? Yes, many of the students were positive. Very nice. Good to hear. Okay, fine. So today, yeah, you need attendance for last day session also. Okay, fine. So you will be receiving the attendance form by the end of the session, my dear participants. Okay, on this 30th day, we are going to discuss about the job opportunities, tools, whatever the tools we are using, we can use for data science, like that. Okay, fine. First of all, let us know what are the skills that are used by data scientists or that are to be developed for a data scientist. Okay, so data science is a powerful combination of various disciplines. We already have learned, right? Data science is not a single field, it's a combination of various fields. Something like AI, ML, DL, OpenCV, right? Image processing, all these domains will be included, right? Fine. Computer science skills. First of all, we should have some basic programming knowledge. Then big data technologies also we should be aware of what are the big data technologies. Maths and statistics knowledge. Machine learning, ensembling models, anomaly detection. So these are all the different mathematical and statistic knowledge we should have some basically. Domain expertise, business knowledge, expert systems, user testing. So these are all the different skills that are required for any data scientist basically. Okay, fine. Here are the various tools that are used or that are very much important or that are very trending nowadays. Okay, what are they? SAS, Apache Spark, BigML, D3.js, Matlab, Excel, ggplot, Weka, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, NLTK, Matplotlib, Jupyter, Tableau. We have already worked with Tableau in the last Data Science Masterclass 1.0, right? Next, we also have learned about Matlab as well in our masterclass, pantechelearning channel, right? Next, Excel also we have given, scikit-learn, TensorFlow also over, Matplotlib also over, right? ggplot2 over, NLTK over, Jupyter Notebook is also over. Only few 2, 3, 4 might be left over. So these are the different tools that are very much in trend nowadays. Okay, let us know some of the tools over here. SAS. Okay, strong data analysis. Some of the features are displayed here. Strong data analysis, flexible 4th generation programming language, SAS Studio, supports for Windows. It supports various types of data frame, management purpose, report output format in a file, data encrypted algorithms can be used. So these are the different SAS features. Next is Spark, fault tolerance, dynamic in nature, lazy evaluation. It means something like slowly it will be evaluating the output. Real-time stream processing purpose we use. Speed, reusability, advanced analytics, in-memory computing. These are the various features of Spark tool. Next, D3.js features. It works on JavaScript, can create animated transitions, useful for client-side interactions in IoT, useful for making interactive visualizations, can be combined with CSS script, JavaScript. Next, it is an open source. Matlab, this is one of the most important core domain, right? Most of the people might be aware of this Matlab, right? Especially for EC, it might be useful, right? Okay, this is also having lot of features. Day to day number of changes have been occurring in this Matlab also. It is basically used for numerical computations purpose. It can process the complex mathematical operations, powerful graphics library, useful for deep learning purpose and easy integration with embedded systems. Excel, highly popular for small scale data analysis, used for spreadsheet calculations and visualizations, provides easy connection with SQL. Excel tool pack used for complex data analysis. Next is Tableau, REST API enhancement, revision history. It is also having document API, licensing views, subscribers, device management, site SML, JavaScript SPI enhancement, Internet Information Connection, ETL refresh. NLTK, it's a open source Python library file which is basically used for NLP technique purpose. It is basically used for text analytics. It is nothing but taking the or working with something like sentence or paragraph format information used for natural language processing task. Contains a number of text corpora. Next comes TensorFlow. Responsive construct, flexible, easily trainable, parallel neural network training, open source library, feature columns, availability of statistical distributions, layered components, visualizer, event logger. So here are the different job opportunities, right? So job opportunities in various companies. What are the different companies? Here you can see Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Oracle, Cloudera, right? Databricks, Numerator, Teradata, Splunk, Oracle, Airbnb, Amazon. So these are the different companies. It is having more number of data scientist roles. It is nothing but they are recruiting more number of people for this data scientist jobs. Okay. So any queries since the last 29 days you can just ask us. These are the main companies which are very much highly recruiting the data scientist roles for data scientist roles. So whatever we have learned in the last 30 days, that was the agenda, right? So yes, any more doubts? Yes, my dear participants, any doubts regarding all the last 29 day session? I hope everyone enjoyed the session, right? As this is the last day session, that too we have just discussed about the various job opportunities and various tools to be worked on, right? So I hope everyone enjoyed the session, and we are going to have the next masterclass on advanced Python programming. It is going to start on 27th October 2022. Registration link is given over the screen. The timings will be 6 to 6:45 p.m. in the evening time, okay? So for any queries regarding registration for that masterclass, you can just WhatsApp to the number which you can see on the screen. Okay, and here comes the Diwali offer. So you can consider 4 combo courses with just 999 rupees. Here are the different courses: AI IoT bundle, programming language and data science bundle, electronics and controllers bundle, electrical designs and PCB bundle, MATLAB. Okay. So in AI and IoT bundle, you can learn AI, ML, IoT, DL. All these will be available. You can access all these material with 999 rupees. Okay. Programming language and data science bundle, you can get Python, Java, machine learning, data science. All these content you can access. Electronics and controllers bundle, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, IoT, deep learning, this and all you can access. Next, electrical designs and PCB bundle, Simulink, EV design, renewable system design and PCB design. These are the different courses you can access in one bundle. Next, Matlab, complete programming, Matlab with ML, AI with Raspberry Pi, everything you can access. Okay. Any more queries? I hope everyone enjoyed the session completely in the last 29 days of our master class. Correct? Did you people really enjoy? Please do raise your hands. Any queries left over? Regarding material, you can just connect to me in any other social media like FB, LinkedIn, Instagram. Okay. Here are the links. You can follow Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, podcast. LinkedIn I have already shared you, right? Just connect to me regarding any career support, regarding data science, machine learning, okay? OpenCV, image processing, anything it might be. You can just connect to our pantechelearning in different social media so that we can guide you to your career, okay? At least to clear your doubts clearly for support, okay? If you are getting any errors also, you can just contact to us. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed the session. So successfully we have completed 30 days session of our masterclass. And you can even follow our pantechelearning on different social media like Instagram, Telegram, podcast and YouTube. And yeah, we have come up to the last slide of our presentation, that is thank you. So firstly, I would like to thank all the participants for making the session complete 30 days of our masterclass as interactive session. And I would like to thank pantechelearning for giving me such a great opportunity to present the presentations. And yes, each and every participants for making the session interactive, I would like to thank for each and every one. Thank you all, and for all the active participants for making the session so interactive. I would like to thank everyone, and I hope everyone enjoyed the session. At least you might be in a stage that you have gained some knowledge, right? Now you do not tell that you are some basic beginners. No, you are not the basic beginners, okay? You are now in an intermediate level. If you consider any IEEE paper, okay, you can start working on any IEEE paper. You have that, but the only thing is you need to have some confidence. How many of you feel that you are in a stage that if I give some problem statement to you, can you work on that? Yes? How many of you? Please raise your hands and let me know that. I hope most of the students are raising your hands, right? Okay. Yes. So most of them are raising your hands, telling that you have some confidence, right? Now you are not the basic beginner level, my dear participants. You are now an intermediate level students, okay? In data science, you have some knowledge. The only thing you have to start implementing, start working practically. Make some errors, then you learn from that errors. If you find any difficulty, just let us know in the social media. We can give you some support, okay? Regarding that might be module error, type error, any type of error it is, okay? So, okay, then we'll wind up the session, okay? So, last but not least, if you like the session, please do like, share, comment, and if you are the first time visitor, subscribe to pantechelearning channel for getting more updates on technical updates, okay? So, if you still have queries, you can just contact to the numbers given on the screen, okay? Then we'll wind up the session, and tomorrow is going to be our festival, Diwali. I hope everyone is very eagerly enjoying, and you might be feeling, what is this? On the last day also you are extending the session like that. Please don't feel like that. I'm going to wind up the session, okay? And my dear participants, for everyone I am telling you, before choosing your career, just please be aware of whatever the technologies you know and which is best suited for your knowledge, for your best, for your career. Okay, because for the entire life you are going to work on that particular field, you should have some craziness over that field, like, right, interest, that much interest you should have on that particular technology. Okay, fine. So yeah, advance happy Diwali, my dear participants. Successfully we started before Dasara our session. Successfully we have finished before Diwali. Correct? Exactly 10 days before Dasara we have started our session, I guess. 10 to 15 days. 10 to 12 days, that's it. Now before Diwali we are winding up the session. So everyone enjoy your Diwali festival, be safe and make some noise, of course, enjoy the day and make your life beautiful as well. Okay, so I would like to wish in an advance happy Diwali all the participants. Have a very nice time, build your future in the beautiful way, work hard and spend time wisely. Okay, so thank you all, have a very nice time. Yeah, we have wind up the session. Thank you everyone. Advance happy Diwali.